What are your privacy rights during a search warrant? Imagine someone knocking on your door, showing you a piece of paper, and saying they have the right to search your home. Do you know what rights you have in that moment? Understanding your privacy rights during a search warrant is key to protecting yourself and your personal space. The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution is the main law that guards against unreasonable searches and seizures by the government. This means law enforcement officers need a valid search warrant supported by probable cause to search your home, person, papers, or belongings legally. A search warrant must be issued by a neutral judge or magistrate. It has to specify exactly where they can search and what they are looking for. This prevents officers from doing broad or random searches that invade your privacy without cause. The warrant must be based on probable cause, meaning there has to be reasonable belief that evidence of a crime is in the place to be searched. It also must describe the items or evidence they are seeking with clear details. When officers arrive with a warrant, they are required to follow its instructions carefully. They cannot search beyond what the warrant states. The warrant also usually includes a time limit, so the search must be completed within that window. There are some exceptions where a warrant isn't needed, like if you give consent during an arrest or if there's an immediate threat or risk of evidence being destroyed. These are limited and must meet strict legal standards. During a search, you have rights too. You can ask to see the warrant before the search begins to verify it's valid and specific. You can record or take notes about what's happening if it's allowed in your area. You also have the right to remain just silent and not answer questions. It's best to stay calm and respectful but clearly state your rights. After the search, law enforcement should give you a copy of the warrant and a list of what they took. This helps you understand what was seized and can be useful if you want to challenge the legality of the search later. With modern technology, warrants can also cover digital information like emails, internet searches, or electronic devices. Courts requiring that these warrants meet the same standards of probable cause and specificity. Knowing your rights during a search warrant helps you stand up for your privacy and personal freedoms. If you believe your rights were violated, you can seek legal help to challenge the search or the evidence obtained. Staying informed about surveillance laws and your privacy protections is always a smart move.